Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will multiply a whole number. There we go. Okay, so today we will multiply a whole number by a fraction. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our problem for today. But before we do that, let's do a quick review of what is a fraction. So a fraction is a part of a group of objects, a number, or a whole. So it is a part of a group of objects, a number, or a whole. I know previously we've been talking about fractions as part of a whole, but fractions can also be a part of a group. All right, so let's keep that in mind as we look at the lesson for today. So we are going to go ahead and find 1/3 of 6. So what is 1/3 of 6? So before we do that, let's go ahead and first, I'm going to use some pictures. Let's draw a group of 6. So if I have 6 circles over here, I'm going to go ahead and try and draw them the best that I can. This is my group, right? So if I have 6 circles over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I want to find out 1/3 of 6. So we look at our denominator, we see that we have to split this into 3 pieces. We have to split our group of 6 into 3 equal pieces. So looking at this, I could put 2 in each group. All right, so now I want to find out 1/3. I've now separated everything into 1/3. So 1/3 of 1/6 is going to be 2 circles. So 1/3 of 6 is going to be equal to 2. There we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the second part of our problem. Let me erase this really quick. Okay, now I want to find out how much is 2/3 of 6. This time I'm going to use a strip diagram to represent this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my strip. And this whole strip is going to represent 6. And we split this up into thirds, and we already knew from our first problem that 1/3 is going to be equal to 2. So each of my sections are going to be 2. Now I want to find out how much 2/3 of 6 is. So I know 1/3, or 1/3 is 2. So if I have another third, that's going to give me 2/3. So if I go ahead and add 2 plus 2, this portion of my strip diagram is going to be 2/3. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 2/3 of 6 is equal to 4. All right, let's go ahead and review today's lesson objective. So today we multiplied a whole number by a fraction. We covered TEKS 5.3i, 5.9a, 5.9c, and 5.3k. All right, everybody. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this was a helpful lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day, everyone.